Yeah, you're not able to get these up here. Perfect. You okay? Mm-hmm.
Mouth. Good. Let this all relax. There's more. Hold on.
Okay.
There we go. You know. Good.
Don't try to fall. I'm gonna do it as a push today. There. Home run!
Ah! Okay, let it go. Let it go. Gentle. Relaxed. Good. That's perfect, Leah. One more breath in. Out. Good. Let it sink in here. Good.
Oh. Way out. Just like that. Shoulders loose, hips loose. Everything. Perfect.
Oh my gosh.
Good girl. Nice. You ready there? Almost. Gotcha. That's it.
Good. Let your head drop. Shoulders. Scary. And out. Good. Relax. Let it sink.
Right here. Wow. Tight, yes?
Yeah, so tight.
Let's go face up.
There you go. Perfect.
Excellent.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, that's it. Okay, there's one more move that I haven't gone. There it is. There it is. Done.
Good. Now let your shoulders sink as you breathe out. Out. Good. And out. Good. Okay, very nice. Gentle, gentle. Let your shoulders go. Good.
Okay. Let it roll. Good.
Oh.
That was a great miss.
Good. And out. Good. Let the shoulder a little bit more. Good. Lay it right.
So good at relaxing. So let it go right through there. Beautiful. Breathe. Breath in. And out. Shoulders relax.
Shoulders sink in. Good. Nice soft breath in through your nose, not through your mouth. Good.